Okay, going back for computer 423 exercises. So for exercise number 4, we will be designing 5 door designs. So let's go with your CAD file. So here are they, but we will be setting a few layers. So to set a new layer, that's LA. So we're going to click this icon and type AR01, wherein for the color we will be adding or setting it to color 251. This is color 251, or you can just simply type 251 here. Remember, whenever you set layer colors, kuha lang kayo lagi sa index color. Okay? So I will be explaining that when we go to printing. Okay? So index color, that's 251. Then click OK. Line type, continuous lang because we have other options, but for the meantime, continuous muna tayo. And then for the line weight, let's check this one. Pag sinabing default, it's set to 0.25. That's the default line weight of every object in AutoCAD unless you set a layer for them and set their line weight. But for this one, since it is intended for AR01 or mga objects na maninipis, so we better select we better select 0.05 millimeters for this one. Okay, uniform tayo sa layers ha, but for the designs and other exercises that require creativity, dapat sariling design niyo. But for layers, everyone will be uniform, okay? So I'll be clicking this OK and set another one. So this time it's AR03. For AR03, we're going to change the color, or we already have one existing pala. Sorry. I'm going to delete this one, or maybe I'll be setting it at AR or not, no, uh, text. Okay, so I'll be typing text here, and then I'll be changing the color to red. Again, it's under index color, color red. That's index color number 1. And then for the line weight, it's 0.25. Okay, and then click OK. If by chance wala pa kayong nakaset na layer for AR03, so this will be the layer name, this will be the layer color, it's 202, and this will be the line weight. Okay, line type continuous muna. Okay, anyway, I will be double clicking AR05 for the current layer. Ibig sabihin ng current layer, lahat ng objects na ito-drawing mo, doon siya papasok. Okay? So, double-clicking that and close this one. Okay? We'll start with this. Let's check DI. Make sure your OSNAP is on, particularly endpoint. Okay? So, that's DI, enter. So, this one is 1 meter by, usually, that's 2.1. Okay? So, that's REC. I'll just be tracking here. You have to make sure that your object snap tracking is on. Ito po yun. Or you can also press F11 with this one if you want to turn it on and on with your keyboard. So, ayan. Para pantay siya. Pasensya na, may pagka-OC po kasi ako. So, I'll be picking here. Ayan. And then type at 1 for the x-axis, 2.1 for the height or for the y-axis. Okay? And then next one, we have an arc. So, for the arc, I will be setting it to AR03. Okay? So, ito wala naman siyang specific na tinansya ko lang yan. So, I will be typing A, enter. Pwede siguro dito, 1, 2, and 3. Yun lang. Okay? Then, after this one, I'm going to create these grooves. Okay? So, let's check. It's 0.02 on the height. And then, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, I need to divide this part into 4. Okay? So, I'll be switching to AR02. That's L, enter. Ilagpas ko lang dito. Okay? And, ito yung groove. Again, it has a height of 0.02. So, I'll be offsetting this one at 0.01. So, I'll be selecting this and click sa taas. Select this one sa baba and click. Enter. Delete ko to. E, enter. And select this yung nasa gitna. Enter. And I have to trim this one kasi lumagpas. Okay? TR, double enter, and select this unnecessary objects. Okay? And then afterwards, this is 2.1. So, kailangan kong mag-copy ng pataas dito. So, technically, this is already at 1.05. So, hatiin natin siya. Or wag na natin pahirapan yung sarili natin. Let's just copy it at, so, CO, enter. Select this 2, enter. Dito yung base point niya. Click and upwards. Maybe at 0.60 na lang. Enter. And another one at 0.60. Enter. And another enter. Hindi naman po maselan yan kasi door design lang naman siya. So, you don't have to be too particular with other measurements. Anyway, let's trim. TR double enter and click this objects na lumagpas. And afterwards, meron siyang sort of parang designs. So, meron siya rectang dito. It's 0.30 by 0.1. Okay? So, REC ulit. I'll just be typing here, then type at 0.30, 0.1. Enter. And then, i-move ko siya. So, technically, nasa gitna siya neto. So, M, enter. Select this, enter. You are prompted to specify base point. So, you have to click here, midpoint, and dito. So, type natin M2P, enter. And you have to pick this and pick this one. Click. So, asa gitna na siya. Okay? And then afterwards, we're going to move this one. Okay? So, i-move natin siya. Let's check again. Okay, so that is 0.3. Okay, so I'm going to move this. Make sure ortho is on. So, M, enter. Select this, enter. I'll be picking here. Click. And i-drag lang po siya papunta sa kanan. So, that's 0.3, enter. Okay? And then afterwards, I'm going to copy this. CO, enter. Select this one, enter. You are prompted for base point. So, I'll be picking 1. And this is your point or tinatawag nating second point or point of displacement. And click this one also. Okay? Enter. And again, that's TR, double enter. For version 2021 of AutoCAD, isang enter lang pag sa trim. Okay? But I'm currently using 2017. So, wala naman pong problema. Yun nga lang, you just have to press enter twice for the trim command. Okay? After that, we have to look for the handle. Okay, so let's check the distance of the handle. Okay, so that's 0.15. Okay, offset 0.15, enter. So, click ako dito. And let's see the thickness. That's 0.05 or 2 inches. Oh, enter. You are prompted to specify offset distance. So, I'll be typing 0.05. Enter. So, select this and click pa kanan. Okay? And afterwards, gawa lang ako ng line. Yan, sa gitna. Okay? So, check natin kung ilan yung total height ng handle. It's 1 meter. Okay? So, if that's 1 meter, I need to offset this one at 0.50. Okay? So, O, enter. Specify offset distance at 0.5, enter. So, pick this one. Click and click upwards. Select this and click downwards. And, of course, the next thing is TR, double enter. Okay. Tanggalin na lang natin to by erase. And E-enter, select this, enter, kasi hindi naman kailangan yon. And this one should be on AR03. So, select natin sila. Kasi currently, they are in blue kasi ginawa natin sila under the layer color or the layer AR03. So, inadapt po nila yung color niya. Okay? So, select this two. And click here. And select AR03 on its name. Not on the color. Sa name po. Okay? So, that's door design number 1. Let's see what's the other one. DI. Sorry, that's the high for distance. This is 1, and I guess this is 2.1 again. Okay, so we're just going to copy, and let's check the distance. That's 0.60. Okay, so CO, pareho lang naman kasi sila. And then type 1.6. 6 is the distance, 1 is the dimension of the first rectangle, kaya 1.6. Okay, so enter and another enter. Okay, so check natin yung circle muna dito. DI, so from the midpoint papunta dito, that is 0.30. Okay, so C to create the circle object. So C is the shortcut for the command circle. You are prompted to specify center point or saan yung center ng circle, which is dito po. Okay, so pick this, and you are asking, or you are prompted to specify radius, which is 0.3 as measured earlier. Enter. And TR, double enter. Okay, and we need to offset also 1 and 2, so that's 0.15. Oh, enter, 0.15, enter, select this and click. Okay, and followed by this. Okay, so from here papunta dito, sorry, dito na pala, yan, papunta dito, that is 0.3. Okay, so I just need to explode this object. X enter, kasi pag in-offset ko siya ng 0.3, lahat ng buong rectang ma-offset siya sa loob. I just need this part of the rectang na ma-offset. So ito lang yung gusto ko. That's why rectang is a single entity object kahit apat yung segment niya. So explode ko siya. X enter, select this one, and enter. Okay, so pag in-explode yung isang rectang or any object na single entity, mako-convert siya into individual segments. Okay, so after that, offset 0.3. So accept ko lang yon, enter. So select this and click dito, enter. And let's check this one. So from here papunta dito, that's 0.05, and from here papunta dito, that's 0.15. Okay, so offset 0.05, enter, pick this, papunta doon, and offset 0.30, enter, select this, papunta dito, sorry, I think so that's 0.15 lang pala. O enter, 0.15, enter, so pick, papunta dito, and another O enter, 0.05, enter, select this, papunta dito. Okay, so we already have this two. Next, we have to offset naman yung mga lines na horizontal. Okay, so let's check the distance. This one is how many? 0.15, and this one is 0.05 also. Okay, oh, enter, 0.15, enter. So click this, pababa. Oh, enter, 0.05, enter. So click pababa. Okay, and afterwards I'm just going to mirror this. Okay, so MI enter, I'll just be picking this, enter, pick from here, specify first mirror line. This is the first mirror line 1, and this is the second point of mirror line. Click, enter, and then I will just be cleaning. Ayan, naka-L kasi siya dito. And meron siya dito sa gitna also. So let's try to create another line. L enter, pick from here, papunta dito. O enter at 0.05, sorry, 25 pala. So pick from there and pick pababa. E enter. So select this, enter. And F for fillet. Okay? Currently, our radius is 0. So, pag yung radius mo is 0, sinelect mo to, tsaka eto. So, natitrim siya, yung excess. F, enter, again. Make sure radius is 0, 1, and 2. Okay, ulitin natin siya sa baba. F, enter. Same pa rin, radius is 0. So, select first object, 1 and 2. Enter to repeat the previous command, which was fillet. So, 1 and 2. Okay? Afterwards, ano yung kasunod? So, eto naman, yung nandito. Okay? So, we need to offset this line. Ilan? 0.15 and another 0.05. Okay? So, O enter, 0.15 enter, pick this, and O enter, 0.05 enter, and click this one. Okay? So, ganun din dun sa baba. O enter, 0.15 enter, select this upwards, O enter, 0.05 enter, select and up, and F enter. So, medyo madami tayong i-fillet na mga corners. So, we'll use the multiple option. Okay? So, this is 1 and 2. This is 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay? So, enter. And we have another one here. So, dito, let's see the distance. Mula dito, papunta doon. That's 0.09. Abuin na natin siyang 0.1. Okay? So, O enter, 0.1 enter. I'll be selecting this. And then, select ko siyang ganito. And I just have to check if my perpendicular is currently on. Dito sa may O-snap. Ito. So, naka-on naman sa perpendicular. So, ang gagawin ko, kiklik ko to. I'll just click this grip. And dala ko dito. Same with the other one. Click. And perpendicular. Okay? So, O. 0.05 enter, select this downwards, and MI ulit, select this and this, enter. Okay, dito po yung pinaka midpoint or dito. So this is 1 and this is 2. Enter. Almost done. Okay, but this one kasi, this is AR05, so makapal siya. So let's transfer this one into AR03. Okay? So, select this. Or maybe AR02 na lang. Yan. Click here. AR02. Ayan. And let's trim this. TR, enter, enter. So, tanggalin po natin yung mga excess. And there you go. That's it. Enter. Okay. So we have to trim this one also. And MA, select this, lagyan natin dito. Okay? Afterwards, I'll be clicking it to AR02. Okay? And BO for boundary. Or sorry, it's AR01 pala. I'll be switching the layer into AR01. And then that's BO, enter. Pick points. And click dito. Enter. And offset ko siya at 0.01. Click and click sa loob. Okay, pag na-offset nyo na, burahin nyo na po ito. Okay, para hindi na lang siya nakakadagdag sa file size. Ulitin ko, BO, enter, pick points. I'll be picking here, click, enter, offset. I'll be accepting this by pressing enter. So, click this and downwards. E, enter. So, burahin nyo yung na-create na boundary kasi hindi naman kailangan at nakakadagdag siya sa file size. Kasi, the more objects, the more file size. Okay? BO, enter. Pick points. Click natin dito. Enter and offset. So, enter. Click and click. Okay? So, E, enter. Select this. Enter. And almost done. Ito na lang. O, enter. 0.01 enter, or sorry, BO, sorry. Bakit kailangan kong i-boundary? Okay? Kasi, look at this one. Wait lang. Okay. Ito, individual segment siya, just like the others. Pag hindi ko siya binoundary at nag-offset ako, matagal. Okay? Tapos, lilinisin mo pa yung mga dulo-dulo na yan, mga corners. Okay? Unlike if you created boundary, okay. So, offset mo lang. Specify offset distance 0.01, enter. So select this and click sa loob, enter. E-enter, select this, enter. So that's way easier. Okay? Now, ito, i-mirror na lang natin dito kasi pareho lang. Instead of creating boundary and deleting and doing the offset command again and again. Okay? MI, enter. Select this, enter. Specify first point of mirror line, dito tayo, 1. And specify second point of mirror line, yung katapat niya. Click, enter. Pwedeng center yon, yung parang bilog kanina. Pwede rin siya midpoint. Nagiging center siya kasi meron tayong circle dito and arc. Okay? Now, doon tayo sa handle. Lipat natin siya at AR03. So, let's see. The distance is 0.1 and that is 0.05. Okay? Offset 0.1, enter. Select this and click offset. Accept this by pressing enter. So let's select this and click and offset 0.05, enter. Click and click. Okay? And just create a line. L, enter, pick endpoint, endpoint. L, enter, pick endpoint and endpoint. And let us just MA for match property. So select source object. Ito yung gagayahin natin ng property. Yung property niya is nasa layer na AR03. So select natin 1 and 2. Enter. Okay? And MI to mirror kasi ito po yun. So we pick from here, down there, enter. So this is 1 and this is 2. Click, enter. Okay? Quick save. Next is, I believe this is the same door size. Yan. So we're just going to copy. Copy this one at 1.6. Enter. Okay? Now let's create a rectangle first. So this one is at 25 by 25. Okay? And then tignan natin yung distance niya from one rectangle to another. 0.05. Okay? So here's how it goes. Okay lang yung layer na AR03. REC, enter. So I'll be typing REC, enter, and pick 1 point. And then type at 0.3, 0.3, enter. Specify, gawa lang ako ng line. Straight line from midpoint, 0.05. L, enter. Pick here, midpoint, 0.05, enter. L, enter. Pick from here, click 0.05, enter. And L, enter. Pick from here, 0.05, enter, and enter. Okay. Excuse me. And then afterwards, we're going to command for RO, enter. So let us pick this object and enter po. Specify base point. Sa gitna na lang, tansyahin na lang natin. So click and then specify rotation angle. That will be 45. Enter. Okay. Tapos i-move natin ito. So let's check. Okay. So M, enter. I'll be picking from endpoint to midpoint. M, enter ulit. Select ko lang itong buo. Enter. And pick from the endpoint, and drag ko siya dito. The 0.05. Enter. Okay? I-offset ko na to. Enter at 0.1. So select and click sa loob. Select it again. Transfer nyo siya ng layer na AR01. Okay? Kasi hindi maganda na makapal sila lahat. So, dapat may variation sa mga line weight mo basically for emphasis and for the readability of your plans and details. Okay? Afterwards, we're going to copy. CO, enter. Select this and this. Enter. Click ko sa endpoint. Click ko dito. I should have copied it. Anyway, CO, enter ulit. Select this and this one. And saan tayo kukuha ng endpoint? Dito. From endpoint to midpoint. And another one. Okay? CO enter. So, select natin tong 6. At saka, eto. Enter. So, click midpoint and dito. Okay? So, almost done. So, mamaya na natin burahin po yon. So, CO again. Select this. And pick from here. 1 and 2. This could be midpoint. Dapat. Yan. Okay? Kulang pa siya ng isa. So, CO enter. And from endpoint to another endpoint, enter. Okay? So, i-enter kasi kailangan natin burahin ito, tsaka ito, tsaka itong mga ginawa nating reference earlier. Okay? So, after selecting those objects, just press enter. Wala yung isa dito. So, copy na lang natin. Kasama pala siya dun sa na-select. Next is TR, double enter. And actually use a cross selection for this. You pick from here down here. Yan. Okay? So, meron pa sobra. Hanapin nyo na lang. Or i-zoom in nyo na lang. There you go. Okay? So, press enter. Afterwards, we need to create the handle dito. I hope you follow. Pasensya na kung medyo mabilis, but let's check. This one has a distance of 0.2. Huwag na natin siyang 2.3, 2.1, okay? Or 0.21. And this is 0.025. And this one is 0.6, okay? So, okay lang yung 0.3. I'll be picking here at 0.025, 0.6, enter. Enter. Select this, enter. Midpoint. Click. And click natin yung midpoint dito. enter. Select this, enter. And click sa midpoint here. And drag natin siya papuntang kanan. That 0.2, enter. Okay? And TR, double enter. Okay. So that is door design number 3. So that's Control S to save. Next is this parambol. Okay? So let's just copy this. Okay? Or this one. CO enter. Select this, enter. So you pick this endpoint going there. Okay? And then we check the distance. It's 0.1. So O enter, 0.1, enter. Select this. Click sa loob. And let's check the radius nito. Dapat makuha natin yung radius nito. Okay? So let's see. DI enter. Dito banda yan. So it's somewhere at yan. 0.75 yan o. Malapit siya. Okay? So, sige. Gawa ako ng circle. C enter. I'll be picking here. Click. Magtatanong siya ng radius. It's 0.75. Enter. Oh, I guess I have to move this one here. 1 and 2. Okay. Kasi masyado siya malapit. I was thinking bakit parang iba dapat yung center. So, nasa dito pala siya dapat. Yung midpoint na to. Anyway, afterwards, after doing that, we're going to offset. Let's check the offset distance at 0.1. O, enter. Or maybe we have to trim. Then O, enter. 0.1, enter. Select this. Click. And click sa loob. And I guess I have to mirror this one. MI. Select this and this, enter. Pick from here, down here. Click, enter. Okay? And TR, double enter. So select this and this one also. Eto, yan. Okay, there you go. And we have to create a line. DI enter. So that's 0.1. So L enter. I'll be picking here papunta doon. So we need 0.1. So therefore I'm going to offset at 0.05. Enter. So select this upwards, select this downwards, and E enter. Select this, enter, and TR enter, enter. There you go. Okay. And that's another boundary. So switch your layer to AR01. BO enter. Pick points. Click dito, enter. Offset at 0.01, enter. Select this and downwards, okay? So erase this. Kasi sabi ko nga, nakakabigat siya ng file size. And MI enter. So select this, enter, and midpoint to midpoint. Ito siya. Okay? Let's try creating a boundary here. BO, enter. Pick points. And burahin natin yan. Okay, so ito yung boundary. Let's O, enter, 0.1, accept that, enter. So select this and click sa loob. Okay? Burahin natin to na create ng boundary. Okay? BO, enter. And pick points, sorry. I believe meron na buo kanina. Ito yon. So O, enter, 0.01, enter lang to accept. Click and click sa loob. And erase. Erase nyo to. Ayan. Yung gray. Yan. So this is now your design number 4 for your door models. So MI enter. You pick from here. Downwards. Enter. You pick here. Pababa. Click. Enter. Okay. And Control S to save. That's the 4th design. Okay. Let's check the last one. Okay. So again, copy. Enter. Select this, enter. So we need that 1.6, enter. Okay, para pantay-pantay sila. Kaya 1.6. 1 is yung length yung width ng door, and then 0.6 is yung distance dito. But we need to copy this again. Isa dito. And we need to make some stretching because this one is only 0.05. Okay? So S, enter. We pick from here papunta dito. And if that is 0.5, eto. So we just need to click this, or we just have to press enter and pick this endpoint papunta sa mid. Kasi that is 1. Kalahati ng 1 is 1.5. Kaya nag-snap to midpoint na lang tayo. Okay? And then, we need to make some offset. This is 0.1. Okay? So, O, enter, 0.1, enter. So, select this and click sa loob, enter. And we need to stretch that again by how many? 0.6. Okay? So, I'll be selecting this. I'll be picking from here, and that's 0.6. Enter. And switch ko siya ng layer. AR03. And offset ko siya at 0.1. Enter. Select this. Click sa loob, and then yung na-create na object, through offset command, ilagay sa AR01. Okay? And I will be copying this, CO, select this and this, enter. Pick ako dito sa midpoint, downwards. Yan. Okay? Now, let's see. Select this too, kasi sumobra siya. So, we'll be picking from yung grips dito. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, while they are both selected and there is no command in progress, I will be holding my shift and click ko yung grip dito, click ko rin yung dito. Okay? Then, bibitawan ko na si shift. That's so that pag in-stretch ko yung isa dito, sumasama yung isa. Okay? So, again, ulitin ko because we still need to stretch this one kasi hindi siya ganyan. We need to stretch it by, I believe this is 0.1. So, same process. Select this and this one. So, pag pre-selected sila, tapos wala kang command, you see these grips, okay? So, I'll be holding my shift. Click ko to. Still holding my shift. Click ko din yun sa baba. Okay? And then, I'll be releasing my shift. And, click ko yun. And that's 0.1. Enter. Okay? Next for this one is eto. These are series of arcs. So, wala naman pong specific na measurement yan. Para lalaruin lang siya. So, that's A. 1, 2, and 3. And A, enter. 1, 2, and... Sorry. Again, there's no specific measurement for this. L, enter. Pick ako doon. Diretso lang. And TR, double enter. Yan. And then, so kahit hindi siya kamukhang kamukha, wala namang problema. Anyway, you will be doing your own design naman for this. And then, A, enter. A, enter. And another A, enter. And another L. PR, enter, enter. And let's have another one. So, A, enter ulit. A, enter. And A, enter. And let's create a line, or what we can do is we can stretch this one. Yan. Check ko lang, baka ilagpas natin to. Mas maganda na sumobra siya. Madali lang mag-trim kesa sa kulang siya. Mahirap mag-create ng boundary kasi pag open yung object. Okay? And another one. 1, 2, and 3. And A, enter. 1, 2, and 3. And another one. 1, 2, and 3. L, enter. So that's 1 and 2. And TR, enter, enter. Okay? So pag okay na siya, that's B auto create boundary. But I'm still not with this. Wait lang ayusin ko lang. Parang I want it to be more curved. Okay, A, 1, 2, and... Okay, it looks more awkward. So I'm good with the previous one. Okay. Anyway, that's AR01 and BO for boundary. Pick points. Click sa loob. Enter. And enter to repeat. Pick points. Actually, pwede naman simultaneous. Enter. Okay? Okay, and then O. Same pa rin. 0.1. Enter. So, click this. Click sa loob. Select this. Click sa loob. Select this. And there you go. Enter. And E. Enter. Select this. E, enter. So, select po natin yung mga na-create na boundary because we don't need them. Okay? So, that's it. So, I'll be doing Control S to save my output.